Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are. This is my first time ever on this channel. Yeah, I used to post on the channel. I had to travel to the United Kingdom to study, but right now I'm done with my studies. I can film now. I can finally do YouTube. I'm JT and I'll be reacting to videos mainly around the US and the United Kingdom. I mean, that's for a start. So I'll need your suggestions to tell me what kind of videos to react to, and it could actually be any country. I'm someone that likes to travel, so I like to learn more about countries. I've been to Albania, I've been to Turkey, I've been to Cyprus, currently in the United Kingdom, obviously from Nigeria. So yeah, experienced the African lifestyle a bit. So I actually like to know more about other countries, visit other places in Europe, America, yeah, Australia. So yeah, your suggestions are welcome. Yeah, let's see what this video is talking about. It says the true cost of US healthcare shocks the British public. So I've heard rumors. I heard to carry out just a test is about like $200. That, I don't know if that's true, but that seems really ridiculous. It's the complete opposite here, because I think tests are actually free. Even as a student, we pay, if I'm not wrong, when I was coming I paid about £600, and that was for a year, so I could actually take any test and see the GP as much as I wanted. Yeah, and just get access to free checkups and stuff, but which is not actually free at the end of the day, but you get what I mean. I've paid for medicines, I've paid for creams, antibiotics, and yeah, I don't know, I think drugs and antibiotics are probably around £10. So no matter how small it is, I think you actually have to pay £10, because I've always paid £10. Yeah, so if you ask me, I'll say it's relatively cheap compared to places like Turkey. I wouldn't say it's cheaper than Turkey, because I think healthcare is cheaper and even more accessible in Turkey. Yeah, so let's see the true cost of US healthcare in this video.
10 grand for a baby.
Is there a price for that?
Yes.
Jeez.
10 grand for a baby.
$100? $200?
$2.5 grand.
$80.
600.
250.
More.
So the thing is, I really don't know what exactly they're talking about. I don't know if I'm going to see what they're talking about at the end of the video or towards the end of the video, but 10 grand, 2 grand, $600. Those are ridiculous prices. I mean, for a surgery, I think 10 grand. I don't know how much an average surgery, or I think it obviously depends on the kind of surgery, but yeah, 10 grand is too much. Yeah.
$80.
600.
250.
More.
Shut the fridge.
More.
Shut the fridge.
£300.
Double it.
$600.
What is that though?
$600.
Yeah. Ambulance call out. How much do you think that costs?
Zero payment.
Zero payment?
Yeah, zero payment.
No. Because $2,500.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
To call the ambulance. That's a joke, right? This is like a troll page, because wait, 2,000 to call the ambulance. That is taking the piss.
you look. An inhaler.
$100.
Yeah, you're pretty close. It's a bit more.
120.
250 to 350.
For an inhaler.
Yes.
Man, so if you're poor, you're dead.
I know that it's like public healthcare in the
Basically.
UK. In the US, fortunately, I'm able to get healthcare through my parents, their jobs, but like I carry an EpiPen, and I know that like the cost of that has just been rising. So like there's like very few companies that even compete, so it's sort of like a monopoly for the EpiPen. Even though like we have insurance, it cost my parents about a couple hundred, even with insurance.
So 2 EpiPens. Okay. How much do you reckon they are?
$80.
600.
$40.
I'm afraid.
2 EpiPens cost $600. My goodness, that is just unfair. Although I know the earn significantly higher in the US, but still, like, come on, $600 for 2 EpiPens is ridiculous. 2,000 to call the ambulance is mad.
Afraid not.
More?
More?
$100.
More.
150.
More.
250.
More.
Shut the fridge.
More.
£300.
Double it.
$600. What? Why?
That's a very good question.
$600.
Yeah.
For me, it's more like just hives and shortness of breath. So it wouldn't be like an immediate death situation, but like, so I've been fortunate I've not had to use it, but it's something like keep on me. Like I have my backpack right now, I have it on me.
Cost of childbirth.
Jesus. 50 grand, something ridiculous now.
Yeah, see, I've blown the figures up on your head now, haven't I? Because they're larger. It's the highest, generally speaking, is about 30 grand.
Okay.
Is that reasonable? You haven't?
Not reasonable at all. It's just like now we're on like we're on a benchmark.
100, 200.
Dollars.
Yeah.
The average is about 10 grand. It can go up to 30,000.
10 grand for a baby.
Yeah, well, I guess. How much is your child worth?
Yeah.
Wait, but that is actually crazy. 30,000. 30. What kind of baby is that? I'm sorry, but 30,000 to give birth to a baby. That is just ridiculous. How do people afford this? Because if you're making an average of, or is it according to how much you earn or what? Because I don't, even still, it's ridiculous. Because I don't know, an average of 70 grand a year, you have to pay 10,000 to make a baby. That's not right. That's not right at all, man. Like, something has to be done, because what the hell is this?
What, is that like the same everywhere?
Yeah, the average is about $10,000. Yeah.
That's mad.
Yeah.
Oh, no thanks.
Okay, no thanks. In which case, the coil, IUD, contraception,
Yeah.
how much do you think that costs?
For one person to implant $1 grand?
Yeah, a little bit higher.
Really?
Yeah, $1,300.
Oh. Mental.
I wonder if you could tell me how expensive you think calling an ambulance out to your location is in America.
I guess it depends on like where you live. It really does. Is there a price for that?
Yes,
Jeez. $100, $200.
$2.5 grand.
For what? Why? Why?
Give birth by C-section,
Yeah.
and you would like to hold your baby after you've given birth to it.
Actually, yeah, that's what you do. Yeah. You have to pay to do that.
Yes.
To hold my own child that I've been carrying inside of my womb.
Say something else.
Yeah, I was.
I'm sorry, but that is robbery. How can you charge for that? That is the most natural, the most basic. How do you pay for that? How do you pay for ambulance? How do you pay to hold your child? My mind cannot understand this. My mind cannot understand this. I don't know, man.
But yes.
Jeez.
It's not actually that expensive.
Right. Charging me. I'm going to punch you.
Yeah.
Not you, but
Yeah.
the doctor. Like $100.
$40
$40.
for skin-on-skin contact. What do you think of the NHS?
Literally the gift that keeps on giving. Literally. People are so dumb for taking advantage of it.
No. I do not. You know why I do not agree with this? Cause that's just the US being the US. These are basic things like healthcare. You should have it for free. It should be accessible. You shouldn't have to wait 11 months, 15 months to be able to get treatment. I don't know, because look at other countries, look at how to do it. Like, come on, with all the funding going into the NHS, yeah, it's ridiculous. But in the US, having to pay this amount of money for it shouldn't be happening. That's a different case entirely. It's a different case entirely. But I think basic access to healthcare should be the bare minimum, to be honest.
And I don't want it to change.
Fun, does it make you grateful for the NHS?
Absolutely. I mean, I didn't know how much free healthcare we got like just off the bat, but like knowing you have to pay like 30 grand for a child, it's outrageous. It really is ridiculous. So thank you, NHS, for your hard work.
I'm genuinely speechless.
Presumably you had an idea that healthcare was expensive in the US.
I didn't realise how expensive. Yeah, I'm just like, what? Like, if you don't have money, you're fudged. Yeah.
What do you think of the people who are profiting off the sale of these medicines?
you're bastards. I sorry, beep. I think, yeah, I think they should be stopped. Fuck Trump.
So yeah, I think it's ridiculous that people have to pay that amount of money for the most basic things. And to be honest, after watching this video, I feel lucky to be a Nigerian, because no matter how bad it is in Nigeria, at least it's accessible, man. Like in the UK, I paid £600, but at least I have access to something. Yeah, I can see the GP. He can give me advices, give me prescriptions. I can get drugs and stuff. I don't have to worry about paying before I call the ambulance, basic things like that. But yeah, it's ridiculous. That was a true cost of US healthcare. Shocks the British public. I'm also shocked. And yeah, drop your suggestions, because this has just blown my mind. I don't even, I'm speechless about. Yeah, wow. Yeah, anyway, don't forget, I need your subscriptions right now. I'm just starting out, so your subscriptions will go a long way. Subscribe, like the video, share if you like it, if you feel someone else is gonna like this, or I don't know. Yeah, and drop your suggestions. Still, see you next time. Peace out.